Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download files from Claude.ai step by step. So this is helpful when Claude creates a document, spreadsheet, text file, or another file that you want to save and use on your computer. So first open up Claude.ai using the website or desktop app, then sign into your account and open the conversation where the file was created and scroll until you find it. So the file should appear inside the chat with its name and a download button or link, and click the download or discharge option, then choose where you want to save the file, and then you can use your downloads folder or create a separate folder to keep everything organized, and then you can also rename the file so that it is easier to find later. So once the download is complete, open the folder and check the file and make sure it opens correctly and contains the information that you expected. If it does not open, check that you have an application that supports that file format, and you can also download it again if the file appears incomplete. So for multiple files, repeat the same steps and save them in one folder with clear names. So this will make them easier to manage. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.